If you are looking to fix your credit or even learn how to start a credit repair business, this video is for you. Today, we are talking about Credit Repair Cloud, and it is, in my opinion, and I'm sure many others, the #1 credit repair software out there right now. And it has been for the past probably close to 10 years. Now, me being a Credit Repair Cloud user, I will be the first one to tell you that this software is a complete game changer. And like fine wine, it has just gotten better with time. I'm telling you guys, it's an amazing software, and you can actually sign up for a free 30-day trial. I've left a link below in the description. So here's the cool thing about it, right? So sign up for the free 30-day trial. The only thing that you're not going to have access to is their letters. But honestly, that's okay, because what you can do is actually create your own letters. You do not want to use any sort of cookie cutter dispute letters templates that are in any software. You're going to want to go to ChatGPT and draft up your own letters. And inside of Credit Repair Cloud, you can actually add your own dispute letters. And all that you're going to want to do is just insert the bracket information, so it automatically will populate account information, names, all that good stuff, right? And it's pretty easy to figure out once you get the hang of things. And then once you start getting more familiar with it and you're like, hey, I like this software, I actually want to keep it, then you can actually go to the part where you're going to cancel your account, go through all the different pages and say, look, I want to cancel, but it's a little too expensive for me because I don't have any paying clients, right? Then Credit Repair Cloud is generally going to offer you 3 months at only $49 per month. So you'll get the first month free plus additional 3 months. So that's 4 months right there where you're only having to pay, I think, like $149. After that time frame, you can see if you can get some sort of discounted account, but in my opinion, it's well worth it. It's $179 per month, and you can start adding people that you want to help as well and create a side hustle and even a full-time hustle from starting a credit repair business, credit coaching business, whatever thing that you want to do, whether you want to add this to your current business. Say you have a tax business or any other type of service-based business and you want to start offering this as a service. Well, it's an amazing service. It's life-changing and you can totally do it. It's not hard. The only thing that is hard is finding people that are going to be your ideal client. And sometimes it just takes a little bit of adjusting with your messaging to make sure that you are reaching the right audience that you are going to enjoy working with and can't wait to hear their results, versus those people that are saying, hey, where's my results? Where's my results? You just want to be upfront, honest, and forthcoming with all of your clients, saying, hey, this is a process. A lot of what you might see online is all the good and not the bad. And in real life, if you are getting your credit report swept in 7 to 14 days, it's probably something that person did, that's not good and probably going to come back and bite you in the butt later. Because when people do those type of things, they generally come back. So that's why we want to train our clients' mindset first to, hey, this is a fresh start. We're starting over. We have to be fully committed to this process. And guess what? I'm going to help you through it. And Credit Repair Cloud will help you stay organized. Cool thing about it is they also have a new marketing hub, which is a part of Go High Level. So if you are familiar with Go High Level, it's a sub account under their built out system, which has got everything that you would need, because because let me tell you, I was one of those people that paid a company $5,000 to set up a Go High Level with all of the automations and all of that good stuff. And Credit Repair Cloud has all of that built into their marketing hub. And I want to say, last time I was on a master call with them, they said it is part of their 179 service. So they've really done a great job of keeping the same pricing and adding way more value to their product. I'll also tell you that now they have billing that is inside of Credit Repair Cloud again. For many years, they did not have the option to bill your clients inside of Credit Repair Cloud. So it was frustrating. I was always able to do so. I was grandfathered in, but now they have their billing hub back and you can actually connect any merchant account if you have authorized.net. And I believe eventually they're going to be bringing in some other connectors like the other one, NMI, but right now they do have the connection for authorized.net. So if you already have an authorized.net, you can connect your merchant account, or if you want to get a new merchant account, you could potentially do that. It's, completely up to you, but a lot of these merchant accounts that specialize in credit repair, they are very expensive. So you just need to be careful. There's a few that are really good out there, but you want to make sure that you're using the best merchant account for yourself. If you haven't checked out Fan Bases, I've left a link below. If you are looking to start a business, Fan Bases is a great merchant account for people, even if you're going to be doing higher ticket offers. Now, there is not a way to integrate it with Credit Repair Cloud right now unless you could connect your Fan Bases to a gateway like authorized.net. They might be able to do that for you, but you would need to ask them directly. The great thing about it is everything can be pretty much intertwined with some of these automations, and you would just really need, your Credit Repair Cloud account, and honestly, Zapier, you can still keep that, and everything else should be in your marketing hub. They have a calendar in there. They have everything that one would potentially need, websites, everything. It's inside Go High Level. So if you already have a Go High Level account, you can actually merge them with the account from Credit Repair Cloud. And the great thing is they have everything built out, so you don't have to really do much thinking. And with AI now, it makes it way easier to create that follow-up campaign once and let it run on idle cycle. So I hope that helped. If you are looking to start this business, definitely join the credit community, because this is where I talk about starting a credit repair business, credit repair in general, business credit, funding, all of these great things that can help you change lives and make a good income at the same time. A lot of my community, they start with themselves. I started with myself. I was at a 484. I get it, and I just had my mortgage scores ran by a mortgage company, and I was so proud because whenever you see your mortgage scores, they're always significantly lower. The FICO 2, the FICO 5, those lower FICO numbers that the mortgage companies just love to use, right? But they were all 780 and above. So I think my lowest was about 780 and my mid was almost 800. So, you have to understand that it's definitely a mindset, but you got to be there to support people, walk them through the process and say, look, we got to get this mindset correct. We got to get these negative items correct, whether it takes 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, no matter what, we're going to make it happen. And you are there for your clients, walking them through it, providing a great service that they are definitely going to want to share with others. So until next time, guys, hope to see you in the credit community. If you want to join the community or you want this guide, comment community for community, comment guide, and I will send you exclusive access to the 26 credit secrets, because if you are going to be serious about credit, you need to know these things. I'll see you next time.